In the previous tutorial, we have created this lab and these two rooms. Now, in this tutorial, we will create this grill. Link to previous tutorial is given in description. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's start with this tutorial. So for grills, at first we will create one vertical pipe. For that, ensure that you are on World UCS. Then click here on circle. Specify center point, take your cursor away, specify radius of 20, enter, then zoom there. Then to convert this circle into 3D, click here on press pull. Then take your cursor inside, click, take your cursor on this side, specify height of 750, enter, press escape, zoom minus. Then I want this end to be round. For that we will use edge fillet. So for that type F, select fillet edge and select this edge. Press enter, click on radius, specify radius of 20, enter, enter. So here this pipe is created. Then I want steel material for this pipe. So to apply steel material, type matte. For material, browser open, click on it, then select this object. In the previous tutorial, we have used this steel material. So we will apply same steel material here. So just right click and click here on assign to selection. Then close this dialog box. Then we will move this pipe here. Before that we will create path lines to create array of grills. So to create path line, ensure that you are using different color so that it will be visible with this color in background. So here I will use this window color because it has yellow color. Then click here on polyline. Then specify first point at this end point. Then next point at this end point and create complete boundary. This end point and this end point. Press escape. Then I want to place these pipes at some distance inside. So what we will do, we will offset this line. As we are in 3D environment and this line is placed over this slab, therefore it becomes tough to select this 2D line. So what we will do, we will hide this slab. So for that, click here on isolate objects, click on hide objects, select this slab and press enter, so that this line selection will be easy. Then click here on offset, then specify offset distance of 40, enter, then select this line, take your cursor inside and click, press escape. Then we will move this pipe, type M for move, enter, select this object, enter, then base point will be this center point, make ortho off and we will place it at this end point. Then to create other pipes, we will array it. So for array, click here on this arrow and click here on path array. Then select this pipe, then enter, then select path curve. Path curve will be this line. Click on it. So here this grill is created, but I want more distance. So click here and increase distance to 200, enter. So I want it furthermore, so I will make it 400, enter. Okay, now this looks fine. Then click here on close array. Then I want to place horizontal rods. So for that I will create one more circle. So type C for circle, enter, specify center point, take your cursor away. I want this circle to be smaller, so I will take its radius as 10, enter. Then I will sweep this circle on the path. So click here on this arrow below extrude and click on sweep. Then select object to sweep will be this circle, then press enter, then sweep path will be these lines. So click here on this line. Again I want different material, so again matte, enter, then select this rod, then on steel right click, assign to selection, then close this dialog box. Then I want this rod at some height, so we will move it, type M, enter, select this rod, enter, then zoom minus, specify base point here, take your cursor on this side, before that make ortho mode on, then take your cursor on this side, specify height of 200, enter. So here this pipe is placed here, or we will take it somewhat below, so again M, enter. For last object you can use L, enter, enter, then specify base point. Always take this base point in empty space so that it will not create any problem. Take your cursor below, specify distance of 50, enter. So now it is looking good. Then we will create array of this rod also. For that, click here on this arrow and select rectangular array. Then select this rod, then press enter, then zoom minus. So here this array is created. I don't want array in rows and column, so I will make column as 1, enter, and rows as 1, and I want actual array in levels, so I will make it 4, enter, zoom there. So here array is created. Then I want gap between them as 150, enter. So here these grills has been placed perfectly. Then press escape. So here this array is created. Then I don't want this line, I will erase it. Type E, enter, select this line, enter. Then to make slab visible, click here, click on end object isolation. So here this grill is looking nice. So that's all for now. In the next tutorial we will learn to create this roof and these walls. Link to next tutorial will be given here. Complete playlist for these tutorials is given here. Please like, share and subscribe by clicking here on this button. So thanks for watching. We will again meet in next tutorial.